This video tutorial I will explain format method of formatter class which accept locale, format and arguments. Here I have defined the class formatter demo. Here I have created a formatter object. Then I am calling format method of formatter object and passing locale as US. This is the format and these are the arguments. Percentage S specifies the string. So percentage S will be replaced with Peter. Percentage D specifies integer value. So percentage D will be replaced with 10. And while applying this format, this locale will be applied. Here you can see the output. Percentage S is replaced with Peter. Percentage D is replaced with 10. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.